Hi friends, welcome to PMC. This is Ramu Master from Osmania University. From the last previous videos, we have learnt the significance of meditation and how to do meditation. So now in this video, I am going to explain how much time we have to do meditation. For getting better results, how much time we have to spend, and what are the best timings for meditation. These two things I am going to explain in this video. So first of all, we focus on how much time. Basically, for a beginner, we have to spend at least 30 minutes, minimum 30 minutes or 20 minutes as per our age. For example, if your age is 20 years, at least you need to spend 20 minutes in meditation. So, and in the starting process, we don't get immediately results. We are not going to access the thoughtless stage immediately. People will complain, I am not getting any thoughtless state, I am not able to control my thoughts, I can't sit that much of time. So everything is practice, everything needs some time. Time is the most important factor. We have to give enough time to practice meditation. So first of all, as per age, in minutes, 30 years old people, 30 minutes at least you have to sit in the meditation. 20 years, 20 minutes. 50 years, 50 minutes. But 50 years old people cannot sit in the meditation for 50 minutes in the first time. Don't worry. Take 2 breaks. 25 minutes, 25 minutes, 2 times. So first we have to train our mind to sit at one place comfortably, calmly, not moving here and there. First we have to practice to sit. Sitting, asana siddhi, we call it asana siddhi. So first we learn simply to sit at one place calmly. So basic important thing in the meditation is sitting posture. You need to sit in the comfortable position and take your own time to feel comfortable. Then you need to start observing your own breath. So first of all, we sit in the meditation, we try to focus on the breath, observing our breath, how it is going inside, how it is coming outside. And in the first moment, for the beginners, they don't even understand how breath is going, how it is coming out. They don't know how to observe. Don't worry, you need to just sit. Sit for at least 20 to 30 minutes. First of all, 20 to 30 minutes you need to learn to sit in the meditation. After 20 to 30 minutes, gradually, your mind becomes empty. Your thoughts becomes less. And in between, meanwhile, your mind goes here and there. Simply, within the seconds, it skips away. Don't worry. I am not able to control my thoughts. Many thoughts are coming to me. How to control? I am not able to. It needs very concentration. It needs very practice. So people will think like this. Stop all this thinking. This is the first time you are sitting and at one place and you are going to observe your mind. This is the first time. You remember one. You remember this point. This is the most important thing. You are trying new thing first time. Don't expect any results immediately. At least you need to give 40 days. So first to observe your breath. Mind skips away and try to, after some time, you are thinking something else, not observing your breath. Okay, I come back and within the seconds it will go out once again. So continuously your mind skips from the present moment. It don't likes to observe your natural breath. It goes to the past. It goes to the future. Because you are trained to think about the past. You are trained to think about the future. You are not trained to be in the present moment. So gradually, day by day, spending more time in the meditation. If you sit 1 hour, 2 or 3 minutes you observe only breath. Only 3 minutes observe the breath. So this much time is the most powerful energy you receive. So this is the greatest achievement. Even sitting for 1 hour in the meditation, if you observe only 2 or 3 minutes, it is a great achievement. So we don't need to worry about the how much time I am spending with breath. We have to sit. First point, we have to practice to sit. Second time, mind goes here and there. It continuously goes. It continuously skips away. It continuously goes to the past. Continuously goes to office. Continuously goes to friends. It thinks always about movies, entertainment, and some problems, and about financial freedom and career. Lot of things comes to you while you are sitting and trying to observe your breath. But we should not worry about it. We are beginners. We always remember to that we are the beginners. We are trying. Everything takes some time and everything takes practice, and you need to maintain the patience. Shraddha Sabori. Sai Baba says always, if you want to achieve something, you need 2 things, Shraddha, Sabori. So Shraddha means time to time you need to practice regularly, every day, at least 40 days. Mind needs some time to understand it, to make a habit to observe the breath. So at least morning half an hour, evening half an hour, you need to spend it. And after that, whenever you find some time, 2 minutes, 3 minutes, you need to sit with closed eyes. Just close your eyes and go to your breath. 1 minute, 2 minutes, like this. Many times you can sit in the meditation, closing your eyes. If you are there in the office, if you are in the bus, while you are traveling also, you can do meditation. Place is not at all important, and asana is also not at all important. Whether you are observing your breath or not is the important key point. So you need to train your mind to observe natural breath. There is only one and only one method to observe the breath. Only that is the observation of breath. There are no different kind of methods, meditation techniques. All other techniques will lead to this Ana-Pana-Sati technique. From this point, you need to start observing breath. Breath is the ultimate way to calm your mind, make your mind empty. So this is the time. And best timings. People will ask, what are the best timings for meditation? The best timings, there are no particular best timings. I give the clarity. Whenever you are ready, that is the best time. For example, people will say, get up in the morning 3 o'clock and do meditation, gives them best results. No. You are in the sleepy mood. You are completely you got not enough sleep. If you get up forcefully and sit in the meditation, you slip into the sleep. You asleep. You don't observe even your breath. You simply sleep in the meditation. So that is not a quality meditation. So timings are not important. When you are ready, that is the best time. So take your own time. Take any time at any place. If you are comfortable, that is the right place. If that is the time is perfect to you, if you are ready, that is the best time. So there is no particular time to get the better results. So time at least 20 minutes, start 20 minutes and 30 minutes. Gradually you have to increase the time of meditation, and you must maintain regularity. So then you will observe some gaps in your thoughts. So peace of mind you will get. Then you can, by experiencing little bit of gaps between thoughts, you are going to get the peace. So through this peace, you want to do more meditation. You think that, so I am getting best results. I feel more comfortable. My mind is very calm. I am able to work effectively in a day-to-day life. So I want to increase my time. So these urge will come from within. And so you need to practice regularly. Time at least 2 times or 3 times. And apart from these, you need to train your mind to sit in the 2 minutes, 3 minutes time. While you are traveling, while you are in the office, while you are waiting for somebody, you need to close. You have to train it. These are the things. And best timings for meditation, there are no particular timings. If you are ready, that is the best time. Thank you, friends. So in the next video, we will learn another concept.